Hello, my name is Lindsay Gray, and for my ePortfolio, I chose somebody who is looking to teach students that are in a similar age group as me because I'm looking for kindergarten to first grade students. So she made her ePortfolio with a website called Portfolium, and overall I really like the layout of this portfolio. It makes it really simple and easy to use, find information. So her profile gives you just general work experience, education, the exact job she's had, her accomplishments, and her credentials. And then there's also a connections tab. So I guess if you wanted to reach out to find more information. And then her actual portfolio, I like the layout of this, and I like how for each entry it has a photo and then a short title and description. I found that the photos were actually really helpful when I was going back and looking for specifics because it made it easier to remember and easier to find exactly what I was looking for. So I like also the skills down here. If you are looking for a specific skill like writing or teaching, you can click on it and it brings up all the entries on her ePortfolio that she has tagged that specific skill in so that you can see more information about it. So it's really easy to find exactly what you're looking for. I will say that I wish when I was going through her ePortfolio, I wish that she had more examples of her actual students' work, things that they are learning. It mainly shows like fun activities they've done, but I would like to see more of her actual work. And then also I wish that there was an option for the layout that you could sort it easier by, for example, like her actually teaching in a classroom and then other extra clubs and fundraisers that she's done. So you could have it more separated out. I checked all of these skills down here. All the links seemed to work. I didn't have any problem with functionality. And overall, it was really simple to use.